Okay, Bravais lattice. Here, a phrase crystallographer Bravais, he can show the only 14 types of the lattice are possible in three-dimensional space. Okay, therefore they are collectively known as the Bravais lattices. Okay, what they are 14 types of the lattices are there. By using that, you have to create the lattices, okay, that are called as the Bravais lattices. Okay, a phrase crystallographer Bravais shows that only 14 types of lattices are possible in three-dimensional space that are collectively known as Bravais lattices. Okay, see here we have to show that one by one. Okay, this is the first Bravais lattice, that is cubic P, and this is another one, second one cubic I, third one cubic F. Okay, here P means it is the primitive cell. P means primitive cell. I means it is body center. Okay, and F means that is face centered. Okay, C means it is side centered. Okay, next one tetragonal. Okay, shape of the this cube lattice is it is tetragonal. That is P means primitive cell. Here is it also tetragonal, but it is body centered. Okay, next one, that is orthorhombic. The shape of that cube lattice is orthorhombic. This is orthorhombic P. P means primitive cell, and this is orthorhombic C. That is C means it is side centered. Okay, see here. Next one orthorhombic I. Here unit cell is at the center. You have to take orthorhombic I means center. Next orthorhombic F. It means here it is face center. Opposite faces are there equal here in face center. Okay. Next one monoclinic. The shape of them that lattice is monoclinic. P means primitive unit cell. Next monoclinic C. It is side center. Okay, next one triclinic P. Here the shape of the lattice is triclinic, and it is the primitive unit cell. And next one trigonal P. Okay, the shape of the lattice points are arranged here in a trigonal shape. This is trigonal P means primitive unit cell. Here it is hexagonal P. Okay, these are the 14 Bravais lattices. Okay, now see here you have to discuss the what are the system of the lattice points, how they are arranged. Okay, what is the angles and what is the axis length, you have to discuss now. Okay, see here. Okay, see here, by drawing a table you have to understand the how many types of the private lattices are there, and what is the system, and what are the symbols you have to use, and what are the number of lattices are present in that system, what are the unit cell characteristics and the characteristic symmetry elements. Also you have to discuss the example. Okay, see here first system is here cubic. Okay, in cubic there are three types PIF. That is symbolically you have to write PIF. P means primitive unit cell, I means body center, and F is the face center. Okay, therefore number of lattice points here 1, 2, 3. There are three types. Therefore number of lattice points is 3. Okay, in cubic system, see here the length. Okay, the length is both are A equal to B and B equal to C. The axis length A equal to B equal to C here, but the angles also same. All three angles are 90 degree. Then what is the characteristic symmetry elements of the cubic system? That is 4-3 fold rotation axis along the cube diagonal. Okay, then what is the example for the cubic system? That is NaCl. Later you have to discuss about this NaCl. And second system is tetragonal. Okay, in tetragonal you have to know that among 14 tetragonal there are two types. Okay, in first one is tetragonal P and then the tetragonal I. Therefore symbols are P and I. Their number of lattice points are here. Number of lattices are in tetragonal 2, because here only two types are P and I among 14. And what is the axis length? A equal to B, but B is not equal to C here. And the angles are all three are having the 90 degree. What is the characteristic symmetry here? One four-fold rotation axis. Okay, example for that one is NiSO4. Next one, the system is orthorhombic. In orthorhombic, here symbols you have to use among 14 Bravais lattices PCIF. Okay, therefore number of lattices in the orthorhombic is 4 because PCIF. Here the angles A is not the axis length A is not equal to B and which is not equal to C, but the angles are all three are 90 degree. Then what is the characteristic symmetry of these elements? That is 3 mutually orthogonal 2-4 rotation axis. Okay, the example for orthorhombic here KNO3. Next one, monoclinic. In monoclinic system, you have to use the symbols P and C. Among the 14 Bravais lattices, you have to use the two monoclinic systems. That symbols are P and C. P means primitive unit cell and C means it is side centered. Next one, here number of lattices are 2 because P and C are there. And unit cell characteristics of this monoclinic system is here A is not equal to B and it is not equal to C. But here two angles alpha and beta are 90 degree but gamma is not 90 degree. Then what is the characteristic symmetry for the monoclinic system? That is 1-2 fold rotation axis. Okay, the example for monoclinic here NaSO4. Next one, triclinic. The system is triclinic, then you have to use the symbol in P. Okay, therefore number of lattices are 1. Here both all three axis length are not equal. A is not equal to B and which is not equal to C, and angles are also not 90 degree. Alpha is not equal to beta which is not equal to 90 degree, and there is no characteristic symmetry elements for the triclinic. But what is the example for the triclinic? CuSO4. Next one, trigonal. Okay, see here, if the system is trigonal, then the symbols you have to use among the 14 Bravais lattices, it is P, means primitive unit cell. Therefore lattices are 1 here, number of lattices are 1, and here all the three axis lengths are equal. But see here, the angles are alpha equal to beta, both the angles are equal, but the angle gamma is greater than 120 degree here. Okay, next the characteristic symmetric elements is for trigonal is 1-3 fold rotation axis. Then what is the example for the trigonal? CaSO4. Next, the last one is the hexagonal. Okay, if the system is hexagonal, then you have to use the symbol P in the among 14 Bravais lattices. Okay, therefore number of lattices is 1. What is the unit cell characteristics? Here axis length A equal to B but which is not equal to C. Therefore here angles are two angles alpha and beta are 90 degree but gamma is equal to 120 degree. What is the characteristic symmetric elements? 1-3 fold rotation axis. That is the example for the hexagonal, that is SiO2. Okay, this is the explanation of the Bravais lattices. It means there are 14 Bravais lattices. Among them there are 7 types of the system, that is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, trigonal and hexagonal. Okay, and also you have to discuss the symbols used for that system, number of lattices in that system, unit cell characteristics for that system, and what are the characteristic symmetric elements for that system, and what are the examples for those individual system. Okay.